Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add retro word stickers to your videos in the ShotCut apps. So after you edit your videos, you can go to sticker options here at the toolbar. Click on sticker, add sticker, and after that swipe through the category and click on or find the retro category. Okay, this one, retro words. So there are lots of options that you can choose to add to your clips. For example, I'm going to just add the style. For example, just click on the sticker so it will be added to your clip, or you can also create the word on your own by adding each letter separately. So for example, I'm going to add L, word O, let's find V and E. So you can adjust the size and also the position on your own for each letter like this. Okay, so when you're done, just click on the check icon and this is it, the result with the retro word sticker. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.